Are you feeling uncertain, overwhelmed, and stuck in your life? If so, then you're not alone. In this YouTube Shorts, I'm going to show you how to move past your doubts, overcome your fears, and get your life back on track. Doubt is a natural part of life. It can stop us from taking risks and stepping out of our comfort zone. But it can also lead to a lack of confidence and feelings of stagnation. The good news is, doubt doesn't have to be a negative force in your life. You can use it to become more informed and to make better decisions. Start by getting to the root of your doubts. What is causing them? Is it a lack of knowledge or experience? Once you know what's causing your doubts, you can make a plan to address the issue. The next step is to take action. Make a commitment to change and begin to move forward. Take baby steps and build on your successes. Finally, don't be afraid to reach out for help and support. It can be hard to make big changes on your own. Surround yourself with people who will help you stay focused and motivated.